Here's that Silverado. Louis, can you just tell us everything that's been done to this Silverado?
Oh, it'd take a while.
Yeah, just give me some of the highlights.
Okay, the engine was overhauled, board 30 over, heads were reworked, crankshaft was turned 10 under, all new seals, gaskets obviously. The body, it's got new hood, new fenders, new doors, cab corners, rockers, new clutch in it. Brakes have been all gone through, emergency brake works. Every single thing on this truck works as it should.
Very good.
Minus the cruise control.
Okay. How many miles is currently on the overhaul, Louis? Approximately?
Probably 2,000.
Okay. Very good. Well, folks, there you got it right there. Rubber's all like new.
It is new.
Brand new.
Brand new. Probably got 2,000 miles on it.